Good evening, distinguished CEOs, technology leaders, our past presidents and board members, and fellow advocates of an AI-driven future. On behalf of the Bombay Chamber of Commerce and Industry, this is Tina Joy, welcoming you to our CEO's AI Conclave. A CEO of a retail company recently shared an interesting experience. His organization had initially deployed AI for a very simple reason, to optimize inventory and reduce stockouts. The goal was efficiency. But as the system began analyzing customer behavior, it started spotting patterns the company had never seen before. Which products were often searched together, which regions were developing new preferences, and which customers were likely to try new categories. The company began using these insights to launch new product bundles and targeted campaigns. Within months, what started as a cost-saving initiative turned into one of their fastest-growing revenue streams. The CEO summed it up perfectly. We thought we were investing in AI to save money. We ended up discovering new ways to make money. That, in many ways, captures what AI means for Indian enterprises today. Not just automation, but faster insight, sharper decisions, and the ability to move at the speed of the market. When we conceived the CEO's AI playbook many months ago, our goal was simple: to capture how CEOs are architecting AI-driven enterprises in the real world, not as a technology experiment, but as a strategic transformation, reshaping decision-making, operations, and business models. Today is the fruition of that goal. To present his welcome address and set the theme for the conclave, I now invite Mr. Rajiv Anand, President Bombay Chamber and MD and CEO IndusInd Bank to the dais. A huge round of applause for him.
Distinguished CEOs, esteemed members of the board, members of the Bombay Chamber, Council Generals, industry and technology leaders. Good evening and very warm welcome to you. Thank you for being here. It's truly a privilege to welcome such an extraordinary gathering of leaders for a CEO AI conclave organized by the Bombay Chamber. For 2 centuries, the 190-year-old chamber has served as one of India's most influential platforms for business dialogue and policy engagement. Today, as we convene to discuss AI, we continue that tradition of examining the forces that will shape the next chapter of India's economic transformation. There could hardly be a more fitting city for this conversation than Mumbai, the financial capital of India, and a city that has long been the engine of Indian enterprise, from finance and banking to pharmaceuticals, logistics, media and manufacturing, and of course the fast-growing digital economy. Mumbai reflects diversity, scale, and ambition of Indian business. Today we stand at another pivotal moment of that journey. AI, or artificial intelligence, is no longer a distant technological possibility. It has rapidly moved from research labs to boardrooms, operating systems, supply chains, financial platforms, and customer experiences. What we are witnessing is not merely an adoption of new technology, it is a structural shift in how businesses will operate, compete, and create value. And India is uniquely positioned to lead in this transformation. Over the past decade, India has built one of the world's largest powerful digital ecosystems. Our digital public infrastructure, from Aadhaar to UPI and the broader India stack, has demonstrated how technology can be deployed at scale, unprecedented scale, to enable financial inclusion, digital commerce, and innovation. Millions of Indians interact daily with AI-enabled platforms, whether through digital payments, e-commerce, customer service systems, healthcare platforms, and smart governance initiatives. At the same time, India possesses one of the world's largest and most dynamic technology talent pools. Our engineers, data scientists, and entrepreneurs are contributing to global AI innovation, while our startup ecosystem continues to produce breakthrough solutions across sectors. Increasingly, global companies are also looking to India not only as a technology services hub, but as a center of AI research, product development, and innovation. Recognizing this opportunity, the Government of India has also taken important steps to build the country's AI ecosystem through initiatives such as India AI Mission, investments in AI research and compute infrastructure, and policies designed to encourage responsible innovation. But while governments can create enabling frameworks, the real transformation will happen inside enterprises. The decisive question before us, therefore, is how will Indian business harness AI to drive productivity, innovation, and global competitiveness? For CEOs and business leaders, AI is no longer a side project or a technology experiment. It is rapidly becoming a strategic capability that will shape the future of every industry. In manufacturing, AI is enabling predictive maintenance, quality control, and smart productive systems. In financial services, one of Mumbai's and India's strongest sectors, it is transforming fraud detection, credit analytics, algorithm trading, and personalized financial services. In healthcare and pharmaceuticals, it is accelerating drug discovery, diagnostics, and patient care. In logistics and infrastructure, it is optimizing supply chains that support one of the world's fastest growing economies. And in media and entertainment, another sector deeply rooted in Mumbai, AI is redefining content creation, audience engagement, and digital distribution. AI is also beginning to transform education and learning, enabling adaptive learning platforms and new ways of building the skills that India's future workforce needs. However, with these extraordinary opportunities also come important responsibilities. As AI systems influence decisions that affect businesses, consumers, and society, questions of trust, ethics, transparency, and accountability will become central. Data governance, algorithmic fairness, cybersecurity, and regulatory alignment are now boardroom discussions rather than purely technical concerns. This means that AI transformation is fundamentally a leadership transformation. CEOs today are not merely adopters of technology, they are the architects of responsible AI-driven technology. The theme of today's forum, therefore, centers around three key priorities for leadership in the age of AI. One, AI as a strategic imperative. AI must move beyond isolated pilots and proof-of-concept initiatives. Leading organizations are embedding AI across the enterprise, from operations and product innovation to customer experience and strategic decision-making. Two, responsible and trusted AI. Trust will be the defining factor for sustainable AI adoption. Companies must build governance frameworks that ensure transparency, fairness, data protection, and ethical deployment of AI systems. Third, the future of work in India. AI will reshape roles, skills, and organizational structures. The most forward-looking companies are investing in reskilling, creating AI-ready cultures, and empowering employees to work alongside intelligent systems. For India, the stakes are particularly significant. Over the past 3 decades, the country successfully built a globally competitive IT services industry that transformed our economic trajectory and positioned India as a technology powerhouse. AI now presents an opportunity to build the next wave of global leadership, this time in AI-driven products, platforms, and enterprise innovation. But achieving this vision will require collaboration between industry, academia, government, and startups. It will require investment in research, computing infra, and talent development. And importantly, it will require bold leadership from CEOs who are willing to reimagine how their organizations operate in an AI-driven world. This is precisely why gatherings such as today is so important. The Bombay Chamber has long played a vital role in bringing together leaders to deliberate on emerging economic trends and policy challenges. Today's discussion continues that legacy by providing a platform where CEOs can exchange ideas, share experiences, and collectively shape the future of AI adoption in Indian industry. Over the course of today's forum, we will hear from distinguished speakers who are leading AI transformation across sectors. Their insights will help us move beyond the hype surrounding AI and focus on practical strategies for scaling adoption, managing organizational change, and building responsible AI systems. My hope is that today's discussions will lead to three important outcomes. One, strategic clarity on how Indian enterprises can deploy AI at scale. Two, responsible leadership in building trusted AI ecosystems. And three, collaborative momentum to strengthen India's position in the global AI landscape. India has repeatedly demonstrated its ability to transform technologically into an economic opportunity. With the right vision, partnerships, and leadership, artificial intelligence can become a powerful catalyst for innovation, productivity, and inclusive growth across our nations. Later today, we will unveil the CEO's AI Playbook. This playbook is a collaborative effort between the Bombay Chamber and the Indian Express Group, bringing together the collective wisdom of nearly 50 of India's leading CEOs across diverse industry sectors, leaders who are not observing disruption from the sidelines but architecting it from within. I thank all my fellow authors featured here for their valuable insights and their support in making this happen. Thank you. Let me once again, one more line. Let me once again extend my warmest welcome to all of you. Your presence here reflects a shared commitment to shaping the future of Indian enterprise. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Anand. Before we go on, we would like you to have a look at the achievements of the Chamber.
Established in 1836, Bombay Chamber is a legacy institution created by 7 British pioneers and 3 Parsis. Starting with John Skinner, the founder and first chairman of the Chamber, and Narayan Dandekar, our first Indian president, the Chamber has been shaped by exemplary leadership from esteemed multinational organizations. The Bombay Chamber has spearheaded Mumbai's transformation, pioneering milestones like India's first railway line, 1853, the India Postage Act, 1854, trade standardization, arbitration systems, and has initiated cultural events like the Kala Ghoda Festival. Over the years, the Chamber has organized conclaves, webinars, seminars on various trending topics. Our flagship shipping conclave is a highly anticipated industry event that brings together key stakeholders, including representatives from the ministry. The Chamber's DEI Awards has become an industry benchmark for excellence in diversity and inclusion. Our signature events, including AgriCorp, bring together agriculture stakeholders, while others focus on mutual funds, insurance, banking, sustainability, CSR, governance, and HR. Through the Young Bombay Forum's Thought Leadership Series, industry luminaries share their journeys, inspiring the next generation of business leaders. The Chamber's Foundation Day and AGM feature distinguished speakers. Through its events, the Chamber has helped handhold its vast MSME membership base in their corporate journeys. The Chamber also makes various representations to the government, including pre- and post-budget memorandums. The Chamber hosts trade delegations from various countries and meets with consul generals from different consulates to discuss collaborations. The Chamber also works on international projects with multilateral agencies. To prepare and groom future leadership, the Chamber conducts mentoring and training programs and also offers platforms for venture capitalists, angel investors and startups to meet and connect. Industrial site visits are another avenue for showcasing industry best practices in sustainability and CSR. The Chamber's centrally located office premises also offers a high-tech, well-equipped conference along with office cubicles and workstation facilities available on lease. The Chamber's publications, including the annual Economic Outlook and Sustainability Surveys, the bi-monthly Bombay Chamber Connect, and its innovative themed desk calendar, are eagerly awaited each year. The Chamber also offers services like Certificate of Origin, Labour Advisory Services, Arbitration and Mediation, and Visa Recommendation Letters for members. As we move towards a Viksit Bharat by 2047, the Chamber will continue to be a beacon of light for the industry.